Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to create the pixel stretch effect using the Glitchify plugin in After Effects. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder that you can grab the 16 AM film shakes. I made them specifically so you don't have to waste time keyframing the same movements over and over. AM film shakes are perfect for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. The link is in the description if you need them. First, duplicate your video layer and select the Object Matte tool. If you're using an older version of After Effects, this tool is called the Roto Brush tool. With the tool selected, double-click the video layer and start rotoscoping the car as precisely as possible. Once you're done, click the freeze button and wait for the process to finish. After the freezing is complete, close the rotoscoping window and make sure to duplicate the layer. On the top copy, press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property. Move the playhead to the end of the layer and click the position stopwatch to add a keyframe. Next, go back to the beginning of the layer and move the Y position upward, something like this. Now select the bottom layer and apply the Glitchify plugin to it. Expand the color glitch settings and toggle them off. Then expand image glitch and toggle that off as well. Next, expand channel glitch, channel split, and channel scale. Under channel scale, enable vertical and set both the offset and speed multiplier values to 0. Under channel split, set the horizontal amount to 0. Next, increase the scale value until you're happy with the amount of pixel stretching. Now scroll down to the advanced settings and expand them. Then expand channel scale and enable fill gaps. Next, go to the amount setting and adjust it to control the strength of the pixel stretch effect. Once you're happy with the result, click the Glitchify amount stopwatch to create a keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Now move the playhead to the very end of the layer and set the amount to 0. Let's now preview the video, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.